red, blue, and what?
Yellow.
So we are going to mix these three colors in order to get our secondary colors. Are you ready?
Yeah. Hooray!
Alright. Okay, so let's do it. We are going to mix orange. Okay, so we are going to mix yellow and what? Sorry, red and yellow. Let's see what will come out of it. Are you ready?
Yes. Wake up. Oh, they love.
Alright. Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm supposed to get something, but you know, So what color are we getting?
Good morning.
Can you see what is going on here?
Yes.
Come around, come here.
Still red.
Do you know why it's so red?
No.
Because the yellow is not enough.
Yes.
Okay, so I have to add more yellow.
Yes, it is finished.
Yes.
The yellow is very
Have you seen that it is changing gradually?
Yes, it is orange.
Yes, it's now becoming orange.
Let's go for
This is what we call red orange. Say red orange.
red orange.
So we still need more yellow.
Let's
You
go
know-
for the red is orange.
Yes.
Let's go for you can do the cloth. No. So that to see that it's the orange or it's not orange. No. Yeah. It's orange. It's orange.
Hey, we are going to finish this yellow.
Hey.
We have to get another one. Is the color changing?
Yes.
Now what can you see?
Orange.
But it's still red orange. So we are still adding more yellow. It means we don't have enough yellow.
This color. This color for this color. This color for the orange. Yes.
Okay. Can you see the orange?
Yes.
Can you see the color?
Yes.
Okay, so those who want to use the orange, our orange is what? Ready. Now we are going to mix purple. Alright. So now we are going to mix red again with blue. Are you ready? Alright, this one we have to manage.
Red. My
Then
brother's
what?
favorite color.
Red.
My favorite color is red.
Alright. Not shouting. Others are learning. Do you like it? Yes. So it means we need more red. Okay? Is the color changing? Good.
Now use orange.
Alright.
Now
You
use
still have
purple.
to add more.
Now use
So in
orange.
order to get the kind of
use
purple you
purple.
want, okay,
I'll
you
use
have to
orange.
continue adding red. Hello. Now do you see the color?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How many of you are going to use the purple?
Me. Just 2, 3. That's 3 people. Me, Kelvin.
Oh, bro, me here.
Joshua. Me,
I'll call
Kelvin,
you.
and Joshua and Gosla.
Alright, so
Now choose.
now finally we have the purple you want. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
So we have the purple. Yeah,
Miss
that's great.
Comfort, I'm just talking from your.
Okay, we were supposed to mix green, but we already have green, so there is no need for us to what? To mix the green. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
So now let's arrange. Bring one table. Bring that one. Put the fabrics here.
On the set. Papa, let me bring the fabric here.
Yes. Put it here.
Purple.
Alright.
Orange.
You want to bring the color?
Is it? Okay.
Alright, hurry up.
Yeah, don't touch it. Your hand will come.
Your hand what? Will come.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so we are starting. Alright? Okay?
Okay.
So we have a toilet roller. You have seen this before, right? It is the brown thing in the what? In the toilet roll. And then we have foam, okay? With our shapes cut out nicely. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes, we have flower, we have leaf, alright? So we are going to do our designs now. We are starting with my fabric. Okay, this is my what? Fabric. Right? Okay, so this is how we are going to do it. I don't know which design to use, so can you help me with a design? Should I use the round one? Should I use shapes? Or should I use the leaves? Which one should I use? Yes.
Round one.
I should use the round one.
Yes.
I should use shape. Okay, so I'll try all of them on my fabric. Okay? Okay, so I'm starting with the round shape. Let's go. Are you ready?
Yes.
So when you are putting it on it, make sure you do it hard. Have you seen it?
Yes.
Have you seen it?
Yes.
Now let's see. Is it beautiful?
Yes.
Is it beautiful?
Yes.
Now let's see our shape. Square. We have this one. It's counter. We have online count. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Onlay. This is an onlay count. So
Purple. Yes, blue.
Hey, low battery.
all right. Okay. Let's see this shape. How does it look?
Beautiful.
And let's try this other shape and see how it will come out. Ew. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's try it here.
Oh. Yeah.
Is it beautiful?
Yes.
Alright, so this is what we are going to do. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
Now. I see the bubble will not go.
Okay, now let's start. Quickly. See how you try your pictures.
You didn't have low battery.
Fast, fast. That's good. Is it nice?
Yes.
Come to this side too. This side. You are not doing it hard. It should be good. Go down to where Ima is. Dip it in the paint. Do it. Do it well. Do it well. We can't see the colors here. We are just doing it there. Dip it inside. Do it there. Good. Yeah, stretch your hands to this side. Good. Good. That's good. Good. Where all nice is. You are not only using red, oh. Good. That. Okay. Start. Okay. Alright. Pull it. All nice. Have you pulled the thing? Pull it. Richard, what are you standing there doing? Pull the thing down. Alright, continue. You won't put it inside again. Good. Good. Yeah. So, Efia, what are we doing today? Printing. Are you ready?
Yes.
So you are going to continue from where I have stopped. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Let's continue. Yes.
Huh?
Yes. Is that where you are supposed to print? Where are you supposed to print? We are making a flower. Print at where the green is, like what I have done.
Yes. Like this one. Like this one.
Print on top of the green. Stop. They are printing a fabric. Good. Oh, are you scared? Do it hard. Harder.
Okay. More harder.
You will spoil the work. Do it. Stamp it. Doom, 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 like how I was stamping. Good. 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 Good, like this. Have you seen it?
Butter.
Just stamp anyway. Stamp. Good. Yes, good. Go to this side. Yeah. So you can see we have lots of them displayed here. Ah, that is so beautiful. Oh, nice. Continue your work. Yeah, this side. See this side. Good. Aha. You see how it's beautiful. It's okay. Let's change the color. Let's go for green, right? Okay. What's the green color? Yes. Bring it. Okay. So on it like this. Have you seen it? Have you seen it?
Yes.
Have you seen it? If you're happy and you know, sha ha ha. If you're happy and you know. Okay. Who did not enjoy today's activity?
I enjoy it.
Everybody did, eh? So on I say continue. Okay. Good. Ah, what a wow. What do you say? Pray for your teacher, okay? What will you tell God?
Thank you.
So what are you waiting for? If you are watching this video, please. We don't only do theory, we do practicals. We do practicals. What are you doing? Printing, right? So can you do what we have already done? Can you add something to it? Let's go. Good. Continue. Yeah. This side. Good. All right. That's good. What did we do? What is the name of our school? Yes, Melody Kids Academy. We want to see you next semester. Bye-bye. Please show your fabric. If you show your fabric, there you go. See mine. Hey. No. Come and show your own. Yeah, then go. Come. How are you? Are you ready for the printing? Okay, so take it. Here you go. So remove it. Now paste here. Don't do it hard. Put it on it. Good. It's okay. Stretch your hands. Stamp here. Pull it. Okay, good. Stamp here. Good. Stamp. Are you scared? Good. Okay, pull it down, pull it down, pull it down. Down. Let it go down. Good, down. Alright, so paste here. Good. Put it inside. Let me help you. Okay. So you are going to put it, paste like this. Have you seen it? Have you seen the way I'm doing it? So just do it. Let's go. Good. Down. Let it go down. Check this side. Good. Let it go down. Down. Okay, so this side. Hurry up. Good. Use your strength. Are you hungry? Philip, are you hungry? Yeah. So what are you doing, Philip? I can't hear you.
I am printing.
Printing. That's great. Oh my God. So what are you waiting for? Don't you like this thing? Your child will be creative. Alright. Kelvin. So you see what I've done? You are going to stamp the flower on the what? Places, or on the empty places, okay? Where there is no print, you have to print there. Are you ready? Okay, so do it. Let's see. Yes. Good. 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 The fabric should come down for him. Good. 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 Calvin, what are you doing?
I'm gonna.
So Calvin, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm doing. I'm already there, but I'm forgetting.
So what are we doing now?
We are printing.
Printing. Clap for him. Good. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Now, let's try purple.
Purple. My favorite color.
You like purple?
Yes. My favorite color.
Okay. Okay, continue. All right. Good. Yes. Is this not beautiful? Go to the down a little. Yeah, this side. Good. That's good. Are you liking it?
Yes.
Is it nice?
Yes.
Joshua, this side. Okay. Let me help you with this since you cannot. Good. Bring it down. Oh, I'm sorry. Up.
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 Okay, it's okay.
Yes.
Good morning, dear parents and guardian. Just as I said on the platform, we are talking about seeds today, and we are doing the same thing as a project work, and few of the children brought it earlier. So we have started with the project. This is how it's going to look like. We are going to see how cotton can, how seeds can germinate in a cotton. Most of us are used to soil, but there's also a different alternative. So that is what we are looking at. As you can see, there is cotton and water. We are not going to put it outside. We'll just put it by our window, since plants need water, air, and sunlight together with the nutrients from the soil. Okay, so we are going to use water, air, and then the rays from the sunlight to see whether it will germinate or not. I know what will come out, but I want the pupils to know by themselves. Some of them said no. So this is it. I'll keep updating you on whatever happens with this very project. Thank you. Wow. So we are done for today. They can fight too. Hi. Hi. Where are the rest? Hi. Right. Let's get it.
She has voice.
Hey, oh yeah. Enter. Start playing.
I'm running around.
Jason, shoot. He has to start to go. Hey, it's not a goal. It's not a goal, yeah. You don't want that goal. Hey, Joshua. No, not team. Everybody's playing everything. Nobody is dribbling anybody. Elephant. Elephant. I am a phone.
Auntie, let's play one of the volleyball.
Go. Okay.
Auntie, let's play volleyball.
Bring it.
Auntie, no, to go somewhere.
All right. Hey, let's circle. Circle. All right. Just throw it in the air. Throw it out. It's gone down. It's okay. We'll not play. Let's go. Yes. Hey, there's two of you. Be there. Let's change. Stop. Okay. My God, it's not easy. You bailed me. Oh yeah, I'm back. You got to shoot your best. Yeah. Hey, Joseph. No, just be careful. Okay, sorry. She wants to see your leg first. I want them not to go there, but they will still go. Hey. 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 Jumping like an elephant.
Let's shake it.
Hey. Yes.
You can play football.
Okay, go and bring the ball.
Let's play.
Hey, this girl.
Auntie, should I cut?
Yes. Okay. Alright, so we are here. We are still having fun. Playing ball. We played Andre. Hey, alright. Attack! The ball is gone down.
What?
We gotta wait. Hey, Justin, come back. Hey, where's my water?
The water. Somebody said, hey.
It's this one. You got to come and pass our bag. Hey, the one I'm hungry. I'm hungry more than a cat.
Yeah, you say you eat coffee. Coffee is your food.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go.
Auntie, let's dance. We want music.
Josephine just said things like an elephant.
Because she's big.
Hey.
Is it?
Yeah. You eat too. All right. Attack. Look at what the chair is doing. I don't. Alright, so we are here. We are still having fun. Playing ball. We played unbreak. Hey, alright. Attack! Attack! The ball is gone down.
What?
We gotta wait. Hey, Justin, come back. Hey, where's my water?
The water. Somebody said, hey.
Is this one? You got to come and pass our bag. Hey, the one I'm hungry more than a cat. Yes, you say you eat coffee. Coffee is your food.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go.
Auntie, let's dance.
Hey.
We want music.
Those people dance like things like an elephant.
Because it's big.
Hey.
Is it?
You eat too. Alright. Attack. Look at what the chair is doing. Play.
Are things that have life in them and therefore perform life activities such as moving, eating, dying, growing, breathing,
reproduction.
which is giving birth, and many more.
We also learned that non-living things do not have life in them and therefore do not perform any life activity. So this brings us to today's lessons.
Topic for today, we have materials like I earlier on said. Now, when you hear materials, what comes to mind? How do you understand it? Materials. Well, let me tell you. Materials are substances from which objects can be made. Substances from which objects can be made. What are some examples of materials you know? We have wood, we have metal, we have leather, we have fabrics, glasses,
Cotton wool, plastics, rubber, soil samples, which is clay, and many more.
Some uses of materials according to their properties. Uses of materials according to their properties. We have plastics. What are plastics used for? Plastics are used for cups, that is plastic cups, plastic spoons, plastic bowls, and straws. Let's go to metal. Metal. What do we use metal for? For cars and also security doors. Let's go to clay. What is clay used for? Clay is used for bricks and pots, and also our earthenware we use in Ghana. We also have leather for making shoes, bags, clothing, and wall hangings. We also have glass used for mirrors and so on. We also have cotton wool for making clothing and many more. Now wood. Tell me what we use wood for. Tell me what we use wood for. You can tell that in our various homes, we can find wood everywhere. Let's talk about our windows. Let's talk about our tables, our chairs, our wardrobes, and many. Now let's look at some objects made of one or more materials. That means with some materials, you can use them for many things. Let's take football boots, for example. You can find leather and rubber. What about cars? Cars, we have metals, rubber, textile, glasses, and cotton. Buildings. Our buildings, you can see soil, you can see wood, metal, rubber, glasses, and many more.
Now let's talk about fabrics. A fabric is a cloth that is used for making things such as clothes and curtains. And for curtains, we can see round metals and round plastics.
Brings us to our next lesson, that is change in state of substance. Now, what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and can occupy space.
In other words, matter is
anything that has weight and can occupy space. Examples of states of matter, we have solid, liquid, and gas. Let's look at some properties of solid, liquid, and gas.
Solid substances are hard. Solid substances have fixed sizes, fixed shapes, definite volume. They are closely packed together, which makes it very hard to flow easily.
What about
now
liquid?
Let's talk about liquid
Liquid
substances.
Can flow easily.
Liquid substances can
liquid
flow.
Are not closely
liquid
packed.
Substances have definite
liquid
volume.
Has
liquid
no
substances
shape,
do not have
no
sizes
now,
or fixed sizes.
People may say pure water
liquid
has
substances
a shape.
do not have
No.
shapes.
The water
Hence,
has taken
they take
the shape
the
or
shapes
the water
of
takes
their
the
containers.
shape of
They
the
take
rubber
the shape
or its
of their
container.
containers.
That is how can
Therefore, we can also say liquids have changing shapes.
about gas. Gas can be compressed easily. Gas can flow easily. They are widely spread out. Gas do not have shape. They do not have size. Now let's look at how substances or matter changes from one state to another. We change by adding heat or by removing heat. Now there are 4 different ways of changing substance from one state to another. Number 1, by melting. Number 2, by freezing. Number 3, by evaporation. And number 4, by condensation. Let's look at the meaning of those things or how they go. Now, what is melting? Melting is the process by which solid substances
changes to liquid
by the help of heating. by the help of heating. Examples of solid substances that can be heated are ice blocks, candle wax, and melting shea butter. So we are talking about melting. Melting is the process by which solid substances change to liquid. By doing this, you have to add a lot of heat. How do you find out about solid changing to liquid? By putting an ice block under the hot sun for some time. We realize that the ice block will what? Melt. Let's go to freezing. Freezing. What is freezing? Freezing is the process by which liquid substances changes to solid. This process needs cooling. In this process, you have to fill a bottle with water. Put it in the fridge
for few hours.
After some time, when you take the block out, you realize it has frozen. Now to evaporation. What is evaporation? What is evaporation? Evaporation is the process by which liquid changes to gas. Liquid changes to gas. When you boil water for 10 minutes or more, you will see steam coming out. That steam is what becomes gas. Now let's go to condensation. Condensation is the process by which gas changes to
liquid.
How do you identify condensation? The process condensation is by heating
water in a kettle for about 10 minutes.
And then you putting a lid at the mouth of your kettle or anything used in boiling water. You realize that the lid sweats and then it becomes water. Thank you so much for watching this program, and I believe it will have a great impact on you. Don't just watch, subscribe and like as well. Your comments are education. Lesson 5 about nouns. What is the meaning of a noun? One. A noun is a word used to identify a class of people, places, animals, things, feelings, ideas, or concepts. 2. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. 3. A noun is a naming word. Examples of nouns and the names of persons: Coffee, Grace, Eugenia, Joseph, Alfred, Stella, Danielle, and etc. Two. Names of places: USA, Accra, UK, Germany, Lagos, and etc. 3. Names of animals: rats, goats, horse, camel, mouse, leopard, etc. 4. Names of things: book, pencil, chair, scissors, pen, and etc. Types of nouns. There are 4 types of nouns, and they are: 1. Common nouns, 2. Proper nouns, 3. Concrete nouns, and 4. Abstract nouns. Let us now talk about common nouns. Common nouns are nouns that name non-specific persons, places, or things. Here are some examples. 1. Persons: girl, boy, woman, man, mother, teacher, president, nurse, lawyer, carpenter, mason, and etc. 2. Places: house, hospital, store, building, playground, and etc. 3. Things: pencil, NB. Notice that none of these common nouns start with a capital letter. The only time that you capitalize a common noun is in the beginning of a sentence or a title. Let us try these questions at home. Underline the common nouns in the sentences below. 1. The little girl liked reading comic books. 2. We live in a yellow house. And 3. May I use your new pencil? To be continued. Thank you for making time with Case Digital Education. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this channel for more education. Skip counting can be defined as the method of counting forward by numbers other than 1. Numbers other than 1. To skip count, we need to add the same number to the previous one over and over again. Let's take our first example. For example, skip count of 2. So you start from 0, you mention the number which we are skip counting, that is the 2. You add 2 to it. So 2 plus 2, you go to 4. Then you count your 4. You add 2 to 8. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try it on the board. Skip count of 2 from 0 to 20. From 0 to 20. This is our table. Nicely drawn with our vertical lines and horizontal lines. Like I said, we need to start from 0. So 0, 2, 4. So 4, add 2 to the 4 to give you 6. 2 to the 6, 8. 2 to the 8, 10 in that order. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So we have our skip count from 0 to 20. From 0 to 20. Let's try another example. Skip count of 5. Skip. Now let's look at skip count of 5 from 0 to 50. So, as I said, we are drawing our table. Using our vertical lines and our horizontal lines. So this time we are starting from the top. So let's go. 0. Which number are we skip counting? 5. So you write your 5. So 5 plus 5. So 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the next number is 10. So put 10 in your head and then 5 on your fingers. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15. You can also say your 5 times table, like 5, 1, 5, 5, 2, 10, 5, 3, 15, 5, 4, 20, 5, 5, 25, 5, 6, 30, 5, 7, 35, 5, 8, 40, 5, 9, 45, 5, 10, 50. Here we are. We can decide to continue, but unfortunately, we are doing up to 50. So let's gently clean the unwanted lines. So here we are. So let's also try our hands on skip count of 25. Skip count of 25. Now we already have our table, so we just change the numbers there and also clean the numbers in the table. So skip count of 25 from 0 to 150. From 0 to 150. So I'm cleaning my numbers in the box. Okay, so we are starting from 0. We are starting from 0. So 0. And we are skip counting 25. So 25 plus 25, you can do it this way. 25 plus 25. Now 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Because we cannot write the 2 here, we need to write only 1. So we take the first number on your right, which is the 0. And then you have to give this to the next number that is on top of the 2. Now instead of adding 2 numbers, we have a small number here, which is the third one. So let's put the 3 together. 2 plus 1 will give you 3. 3 plus 2 will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's equal to 50. That means we have to write 50 here. Now let's look for the next number. The next number, 50 plus 25. I'm bringing the 25 because we are still counting 25. So let's go. 5 plus 0. Any number plus 0 is equal to the same number. So 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 50 plus 0 is equal to 50. So 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Then 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So our answer is 75. Plus 25 again. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So we are repeating the first method here. So we write our 0, then our 1 on the 7. So our 1 on the 7, that is the remainder. So 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. In this case, there is no other number again. So we have to write the 2 numbers, but 0 below 2. And then 1 under the plus. We have 100. So when we get to this stage, you just have to add the 25 to the 100 to give you 125, 150. That is where we are stopping. That is where we are stopping. I believe you are enjoying the lesson. Okay, let's try this at home. Skip count of 10. Skip count of 10. Yes, I believe you are done with the skip count of 10. But let's go through it. So we are skip counting 10 from 0 to 100. From 0 to 100. So here, I'll draw the table. After that, I'll do it without the table so that you can also try those 2 methods at home. So let's draw our table for skip count of 10 from 0 to 100. So let's start. 0. And what we are skip counting, the 10. So this is 10 times table. If you know your 10 times table, this is going to be very easy for you. So 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10. 10 in your head and then 10 with your fingers. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So our answer is 20. Now 20 plus 10, what would it be? 20 in your head and 10 with your fingers. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So let's try saying our 10 times table. 10, 1, 10, 10, 2, 20, 10, 3, 30. So 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. And so we still have lines there or boxes. We need to fill them up. So we'll continue counting. But let's start from where we started from. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Sorry. 80, 90, 100. From 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. 210, 220, 230, 240, and 250. Yes, we have come to the end of today's lesson. I want to leave you with 3 questions of skip counting. So our assignment for today. Number 1. Skip count of 50 from 0 to 500. And then question 2. Skip count of 50 from 0 to 160. Then last one, skip count of 3 from 0 to 150. So the question 1 says skip count of 1 from 50 to 500. And number 2, skip count of 50 from